Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Just got back from my little lunch break. Time is now 5 o'clock, and I got my first order already. We running it back up. Only got to go in there and grab 3 items. Walmart Spark, shop and deliver. $13.88. One customer, 3.9 miles, and they only ordered 3 items. We at Walmart now. We finna head up in here and get this next part of this shift started. I already made 120 bucks on my first part of today's shift. So the daily goal is here, but now I want to see if I can hit that $200 mark. Yes, sir. We just left up out of Walmart. Got all the shopping done on that order, but the thing is, they ordered some drawers, and they didn't have the right size, but they didn't enter in a substitute. So I wasn't able to get that one for them, but look at this. $8.25 for 3.2 miles at Denny's. You know I had to grab that. So I said, hey, it's time to Notip. We at Denny's now. We finna slide up in there and see what's going on. Now, it's like 3 more minutes left on this offer until it's gonna be ready. So therefore, I'm gonna sit here for a second and I'm gonna give myself a little bit of time before I go up in there. Slice it, this is gonna be $13 on the Walmart Spark order, another $8.25. That's a $21 hour right there. Almost couldn't get my words out. That's a $21 hour. This is how you make money in the gig economy, guys. Going up in Denny's real quick. And just in case Doordash decided to send me an add-on, what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab the other phone and we're gonna take that up in there with us. Because what you gotta realize is if they send me another order, while I'm sitting here waiting on this one, that's gonna put me at probably about $30 an hour, because DoorDash and Walmart Spark and Uber Eats in conjunction with each other, that's how you maximize and make that money. Next up, we got $9.53 for 54th Street, going 3.2 miles. I had to take it. And then at the same time, DoorDash hit me with this, $11.75 for 5.3. No plus sign on this one, but that's okay. We at Buffalo Wild Wings already, so we finna head up in here and see what's going on. Buffalo Wild Wings in my area usually have them ready. They got this nice little takeout area over here, so they got 2 separate sides. They working all at the same time, and usually that means we can get them orders out quickly. Let's see if they jam in there. First Uber Eats order of the day right here, $9 and some change for 3 miles. Look, I'm taking that all day long. Front door service. Thank you. Next up, we got $9 plus for 3.6 miles. What's this? Uber Eats trying to send me a $4 order? No, sir. $9 plus 3.6 miles at Crazy Bows and Wraps. And guess what? We already here. I'm about to slide up in there and grab that thing so fast you ain't gonna know what happened. Sir, you know I love it when they're ready to go. Now let's see if they send me a proper add-on, something that I can actually make money with. Got the order in the car, $9 plus for 3 miles on this one. But nah, dog, I just looked at the map and I'm telling you, it's doing some wraparound. All my DoorDash drivers, hey, y'all know what I'm talking about when the map hit that wraparound and it ain't quite adding up as far as the mileage goes. This thing is literally going right back down the street, across this main road, and maybe 2 streets down. That ain't no 3 miles. I don't know if it's some calculation issues on the mileage when it comes to the DoorDash app, but look, you gotta know your market, guys, because this is not 3 miles. I just picked up this order. It was ready to go. It got a plus sign on it. We have no peak pay going right now, and they messing up the mileage. This is a recipe for a good night, because if they messing up with the algorithm on the mileage, I might be able to get more per order on some base pay or more on some tips when the algorithm think that the mileage is off, so it show you more of the tip up front. Let's get it. Right now, we doing some parking lot action right now, and sometimes you got to cut through the parking lot so you avoid that main light. It's a light over there that I don't like to hit, so we coming over this way so that we can avoid all of that, not to hit down this road right here. Keep my wheels rolling. That's the name. Adding everything up, I think this is order number 5 for the night, and we 2 hours in. I'm gonna be at 50 bucks, or actually over 50 bucks after I complete this order, with an average of $10 per order, 5 orders done in 2 hours. I like to get like 6 to 7 orders done in 2 hours, but when you're getting good offers and it's something you're willing to accept, it may be some wait time in there. Yes, we want every order to be ready when we get there. Of course we want that, but that's not realistic. If you are accepting orders that look good to you on a face value, right, then it's gonna be some times where you have to wait a couple minutes here and there, either on the customer side or on the merchant side. So to get 5 orders done in 2 hours ain't the worst thing ever, but I definitely strive to hit at least like 6 or 7. But if I can get $10 per order, then I'm cool with that. We at 50 bucks. After this one, actually, it might be more because we got a plus sign. Let's see what we get next. Yes, sir. $9 plus on this one, and that was not 3 miles, not by any means. Go ahead, set this right here at the front door. Bada bing, bada boom. Get our picture. Bada bing, bada boom, and we out. Now let me know in the comments below what you think $9 plus for 3 miles is gonna turn into. Alrighty, moment of truth. $9 turns into $10.25. Let's get it. Alrighty, FDA family. We sitting at 30 bucks on DoorDash, $13 on Spark, and a $9 order. Bringing our total to what, 53, 52, something like that. Check this out. Uber sending me these trip radar trips and I ain't having none of it. But DoorDash just blessed me. They just hooked me up with my next order. We got a whopping $6.25 plus for 1.8. So you know I had to skate. We at Qdoba already. And guess what? Hold on, what's this right here? $18 for 2 deliveries? Nope, I don't want that. Cause I already know it's some bull crap on Uber. But check this out. Boom! Plus at Panera. And guess what? It's right across the street. This how you get that money, guys. I'm trying to tell you, man. Look, when you're using these apps, you need to make yourself open and available to get all these deliveries. I knew that if I accepted a Qdoba offer, it was like a 77.7% chance I was gonna get an add-on. And guess what? That's exactly what happened. Now we finna pick this one up, and then we finna slide right across the street and pick that one up. This is how you maximize. This is how you keep yourself busy. This is how you get the best orders. And this is how you make that money. Now, I already made 120 earlier today. I'm at 30 on DoorDash. That's 150. Then adding in everything else, we had like 170 on the day, and we still going. We still got daylight. You see the American flag right there. Let's get it. We live picking up this second part of this order. I like it when I see double plus signs on my order. It make me feel good about my deliveries. Okay. DoorDash so silly. They got a new thing in here under safety issues. You literally can click I was in a vehicle crash. That's crazy. Look, this order is also in hand to me, so I won't be able to get a video of me going up there, but I will be getting that confirmation picture. Stop playing with me. DoorDash say it's busy. Should I hop back in there, y'all? Got both of those orders dropped off. The first one only went up 50 cents. It went up to $6.75. Second order went up to $7. So an additional 13 bucks added onto the tally for tonight. And guess what? You already know. I got my next order already. We got $9.19, I believe it said, right over here at Jersey Mike's. So we heading over there right now. This one came in on Uber Eats, so it's all good. I get to accept something else on DoorDash and keep my wheels rolling. Let's get it. You want to make sure that when you dropping off 2 or more orders, if you can, when you multi-app and you open up another app, see if you can get you something to keep your wheels rolling. And that's what we're doing right here. I accepted 2 orders on DoorDash, and then while I was picking up those orders, I accepted this one over here on Uber Eats, so that once I got done dropping off those 2, I had something to keep me moving. Let's get Uber Eats order number 2 right here, picking up at Jersey Mike's. The Jersey Mike's, man, they got them orders ready to go. Let's get it. We out. Sir, we are running it up. We got an additional $5.50 for 2.1 miles at Buffalo Wild Wings, and it's perfect because that's taking me past where my Uber orders was going already. We running it up, guys. Let's get 54th Street in the car. Uber trying to send me an add-on, but I'm not having none of it. And now we heading on over to B-Dubs to get us some of that wild smell up in the car. Both of these orders, and then I got the Uber Eats order too. $25 an hour. $25 an hour working this way, guys. This is how you run it up. Look at that. We got Red Robin right there. You got Crazy Bowls and Wraps right there. You got Panera Bread right there. Gotta know your market. Shopping delivers at Durberg's all day long. Then you got Penn Station down here. You got BB Dubs. You got Wingstop. Man, we got all the merchants right here to make money from. Let's dropping this one off. This one came in at $8 for 3 miles, 8 something. But I got them add-ons and trying to keep track of everything. Just trying to make sure I give them A1 customer service. Yes, sir. Now we're dropping off that Buffalo Wild Wings order. Nice little easy $13 straight from DoorDash. Let's get it. Now we're going to drop off our Uber Eats. Alrighty, dropping off some Jersey Mike's right here. And it looks like this customer about to get some free drinks because I forgot to give the last customer theirs. Oh well. That's just how it goes sometimes. This one right here going to be my last order of the night. We got $7.17. Just enough to pay the rent for 3 miles at Wingstop. And guess what? Yes, sir. We already heard Wingstop. They got them wings hot. We finna head on up in there right now. Last DoorDash order of the night. And it's a hand to me. Gotta love those hand to me orders. Well, at least this customer came to the door. But gotta have a flashlight out here because it is so hard to see addresses. Hello. Let me get a DoorDash picture real quick. I had to go up and down the street like 5 times. I couldn't see your address. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. Woo! Woo! That was a pretty amazing shift. We worked a total of 3.5 hours. It's 8:30 right now. We got $64 on Doordash, a $13.88 shop and deliver on Walmart Spark, and 2 Uber Eats orders, one for $9.53 and another for $9.19. Let's get it. Multi-app madness, multi-app for the win. Multi-app is the way to go. If you're only using one app, you are limiting yourself. You need to be knocking out shopping delivers across the board, across multiple platforms to maximize. We got a total of $96.60, guys, in 3.5 hours. I already did $120 earlier today. That's a $200 day using 3 apps. I think I worked a total of 6 hours. $200 in 6 hours? Who's not taking that? Anybody working in the gig economy is gonna take that $200 in 6 hours, working on my terms the way I want to, when I want to. I wake up, I turn the apps on, I say I want to go make some money, and that's what I do. And guess what? We about to go in here and mix this video down and get it out for you tonight. Let's get it. If you made it this far in the video, I need you to do me a favor. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and check out one of these next ones. It's what's YouTube recommending, so you might as well go ahead and check it out. I'm FDA, and I'll catch you in the next one.